Okay, this is kind of like, you know how you put honey on a baby's fingers and then give it a feather to play with? Here we have, well, we did have a jar full of toys. There's still 2 left in there, 2 little toys left in there. The rest have all been pulled out already. There goes somebody pushing one now. This is Hiawatha has decided to roll the jar. And, right here in the foreground is Gobi Bear Austin. This is Gecko Kai right here. Gecko Kai, Gobi Bear Austin, and Hiawatha, I think. Hiawatha. Oh, I'm sorry, sweetie. Yeah, that's Hiawatha. He is fluffing up like crazy. Now, Hiawatha and Gecko Kai are the same weight now. And rolling the jar is a whole lot more fun than the toys, huh? Oop, there it goes. There it goes. And on this tail is another H baby, one of the little girls. Oh, here goes Hiawatha's going to go in. He's going in. He's going in. No, not quite. I'm not getting anything done this morning. That's obvious. Yep, now he's rolling the jar back the other direction. This is a new sport, jar rolling. We now have basket spinning, tent rolling, and now we have jar rolling. Now we have squeezing into the jar. Going in after it. Yeah, very cute. Okay, which one? Which little girl is this exactly? It's helping him out here. Actually, that's half pint Misha. The H letter's getting so fluffy. Yeah, so that's half pint Misha. On the right and Hiawatha on the left. He's going to get that ball out of there. Now that's a hard ball. That's a ball out of a computer mouse. He's almost got it. He's almost got it. There it goes. Here you go. This is Geronimo Fierro. He's supervising, I guess. Supervisor. Half pint's gonna go in after it. If all else fails, eat the jar. Okay. Coming up. They'll be back.